Hey guys, today I want to tell you a little bit about weight marketing. Now this can be really good, and it can either be something which is very brash and loud, or it can be something which is very subtle as well. So basically, what is weight marketing? Let's say, have you ever been at a bus stop, you've been at a doctor's office, you've been in a queue, something like that, and you find your attention is kind of distracted? I know a lot of people use mobile phones nowadays, but your attention may have drifted to something like a poster that was up on the wall. It may have drifted to some business cards that were on the counter somewhere. Maybe it is a digital display. So this kind of thing is called weight marketing. It's where you put things up in a position where they can be entertainment for people who are waiting for things. Now, employing this in your business can really help, because even if it's just something subtle like signage with your business information on it, it can really be beneficial for your business, because people don't like waiting, they don't like the experience. But if you give them something to distract you with, and they can associate that in a positive light with your business, that's great. I mean, if you've ever gone into a hairdresser's and you've sat there and they've got a load of pictures on the wall, where they've got different hairstyles, you might look at them and think, oh, instead of just going bald like Baldilocks, what I'll do is I'll ask them if they can do one of these particular styles for me. So things like that can be really subtle. Alternatively, you can just put a massive logo up there with "Buy my product," but that's not the best way to do it. But you actually see logos everywhere when you go into all of the big brand restaurants. When you go into pretty much any branded place, you will see that logo. So it's really important to make sure that you've got things that people can look at when they're waiting. Now, this can even apply if you've got like a staff uniform. So if you've got staff members who are wearing the uniform with the logo on, that's subliminal when people are going through a store. But if you've got someone behind the counter with the logo on, you're always going to be able to see the logo, and people's eyes are drawn naturally to other people. And they're usually drawn to things that are interesting that are going on. So when you've got someone who's interacting with a customer, a lot of the time other customers are going to be listening, and they're going to see the staff member there who's going to be facing more towards them, and they've got that logo there. So it can be used in a variety of different ways, and it can either be very loud or very subtle, and it's definitely something you should be employing in your business. Anyway, hope this helps.